Picture this, you've added the books, you've got the darker colours, and maybe even a nice lamp glowing in the corner. You step back expecting moody, intellectual, dark academia, but something feels off, flat, forced, like the vibe didn't quite land. That's because of a few small mistakes that can completely kill the atmosphere, and most people don't even realize. Today, we're fixing that. G'day, I'm Aussie Tobes, and I'm a bold Australian interior designer. And if you enjoy practical interior design ideas from an Aussie bloke like me that actually work in real homes, hit like and subscribe and share the video. Let's get into it. Mistake number one, lighting that kills the mood. This is the biggest offender. Dark academia is about atmosphere, and harsh overhead lighting absolutely destroys it. Bright, cool white ceiling lights make a space feel clinical, like a dentist waiting room, not a moody study. The fix for that, however, is turning off the big light, using lamps, warm globes, and of course light at eye level. You want glow, not glare. If the room feels like sunset instead of midday, you're doing it right. Mistake number two, over-theming. This is where dark academia starts looking like a theatre set. Too many props, too many obvious look at me pieces, stacks of books, skull ornaments, globes, busts, all crammed together. Instead of moody and intellectual, it feels costumey. But the fix for that is curate, don't decorate. Choose a few meaningful objects and give them breathing room. Dark academia should feel lived in, not staged for Halloween. Mistake number three, flat dark colours. People hear dark aesthetic and go straight to one heavy paint colour everywhere. The result? A room that feels dull instead of rich. Dark doesn't mean lifeless. The fix for that is layer warmth. Wood tones, brass textiles, leather, and soft lighting. Contrast is what gives dark colours depth. Think moody library, not painted box. Mistake number four, sterile furniture layout. Modern suburban layouts tend to spread furniture like a showroom, and that kills intimacy. Dark academia thrives on closeness, spaces that feel tucked in and intentional. The fix for that is bring furniture closer together. Create a reading nook, a conversation zone, a corner that feels like it belongs to someone. You want the room to feel like it invites you in and not pushes you away. Mistake number five is ignoring texture. You see, smooth surfaces everywhere equals flat atmosphere. Dark academia is fairly tactile. It should feel like a room you want to sink into. The fix for that, once again, is add texture. In previous videos, I've discussed velvet cushions, wool throws, timber trays, layered fabrics. You see, texture is what makes the room feel warm and grounded instead of shiny and new. Mistake six is chasing the European fantasy too literally. You see, this is where people try to recreate an old English manor instead of a modern Aussie home, or a home anywhere else in the world that's not England, and it just feels off. You don't live in a 200-year-old castle, and that's fine. The fix? Adapt the mood to your space. Use the feeling, not the costume. You see, dark academia is about atmosphere and intention, not pretending your suburban lounge is all of a sudden Oxford. Mistake number seven is forgetting warmth. Some people lean so hard into dark that the space becomes cold or uninviting. Dark academia should feel thoughtful, but also cozy. The fix for that is balance mood with comfort. Soft lighting, layered fabrics, Personal objects. You see, if the room feels like somewhere you'd happily sit with a book and a drink for an hour, then you've nailed it. How do we Aussie Tobes this? Instead of trying to recreate some perfect European fantasy, we focus on how the room feels lived in. You see, Aussie homes are meant to be used and maybe have a little bit of clutter as well. Dark academia shouldn't feel precious or untouchable. It should feel like a space where you actually sit down, you read, you work, or unwind. That means let the books be handled, let the chair look lived in, and let the space evolve naturally. You see, we're not building a museum display, we're creating atmosphere that supports real life. When the room feels comfortable enough to use every day, that's when the aesthetic stops being a decoration and starts becoming personality. Dark academia isn't about perfection or expensive antiques, it's about atmosphere. Avoid these mistakes, layer with intention, and your home starts to feel thoughtful, clean, and full of character. You could start with lighting tonight. It's the fastest transformation you can make to any space. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and share for more bold interior design ideas with that Aussie Tobes twist. Be bold, be inspired, and of course, be Aussie Tobes. And I'll see you in the next video.